It's not just a production vehicle, it's also a desktop cleaner. Open the car, press the steering wheel, and you can clean up the garbage. What we use today is A4 card paper. Cut it into small pieces according to the width of 9 centimeters. A piece of A4 paper can only cut 3 pieces of paper like this. We prepare 9 pieces of paper like this, which is thick enough. Apply solid glue to these pieces of paper. Then stick them together one by one. Stick all the pieces of paper together to get solid material. This thickness is very good. Make a square to be the body of the car, 7 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide, 2 centimeters high. The body of the car has been cut down. The rest of this material, let's make its shovel. Cut a 7 centimeter wide, 2.5 centimeter high, 7 centimeter wide, 5 centimeter high piece of paper. When we make this shovel later, we use this corner material. It happens to be 2 sides. So now we stick the body of the car and the steering wheel to it. It's very simple to stick it together. Align it and then apply glue to the edges. This box is for the body of the car and this is for the steering wheel. Cut a slope for it here. It's more natural to shovel things like this. Cut the side into a triangle and put it on. This is its basic frame. Make a small hole on both sides to install wheels. Thread a bamboo stick to make a car axle.
Make a small hole in the bottle cap to make wheels. Soak it on the car axle. Squeeze the glue in the bottle cap. Then stick it to the top of the car axle. All 4 wheels are installed. Cut off the excess bamboo sticks and the wheels are ready. In addition, cut 2 pieces of caper and put them on the shovel. Then use these 2 points to compare. Make a mark in these 2 places. We're going to make a hole here and put this in. It was stuck like this just now. The car axle is tilted and it can't stick to the ground. So we're going to cut it again. Stick it like this. This way you can shove things in. Stick a piece of paper on it and stick it in. Prevent it from falling out. Next, we use a paper strip to roll a paper stick. A little shorter, 4 or 5 millimeters is enough. Put it in this position and stick it with glue. This is the feeling of operation. Press down and this shake will turn over. Stick a piece of paper to its tail. With this piece of paper, you can push it with your hand. There is also a small detail. We need to find a plastic piece. A piece of paper is fine. Stick it with double-sided glue. Stick it in front of the front. So when you touch the object, it will naturally go in. Shake it gently and it will go into the trash can. Speaking of trash cans, we make a small box. Put it in there for garbage. Or you can put other objects in it. So when there's garbage in it, it's very convenient to take it out. I want to make it look better. You can paint it. What color do you like? What color can you paint? You can also paint the front. It's so much fun to be able to clean up the garbage on the table. Like and collect. I'll do something more fun next time.